what is good? It is your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm showing you my self-care routine. So if you're interested, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. So the mask that I'm going in with is from Teamy Blends. It is the detox mask. I love this mask. It helps tighten my pores and also get rid of any gunk that is in my skin. Now that the mask is applied, your girl likes to multitask, so we're about to take care of these armpits. As you can see, we need to get rid of that, so I'm just using this waxing kit that I got off of Amazon, and I'm starting off with freshly cleaned armpits, and then I'm going to take some baby powder and put that underneath my armpits so we can snatch it off. Just checking the temperature to make sure that it's not hot because I do not want to get burned. And I'm making sure that I have my arm pulled back as far as I can so the area can be taut, and I'm applying that wax upward. I am not a professional. This is just how I do it, and it works for me. After waiting a few minutes for the wax to dry, I'm just making sure that I have a good grip so I could snatch everything off, but you guys will see that I had to go in a couple more times to pull it off because I just didn't have a good grip. At this point, I thought I had it, but then I felt that I still had some more wax underneath my armpits. And at that time, I was just so over it. But I still kept going until every little bit of piece of wax was off. And that was so annoying. Going in with a little bit more wax just to get that inner corner that I missed and wax it off. I was just hoping and praying that the wax just come off all in one strip, which it did. And then I noticed that I still had a little bit more hairs left under my armpit, so I'm just going to let that arm take a break and move on to my other arm. Oh, just watch me fail. Oh my goodness. I usually am better at this. I don't know what was going on with me that day, but I need to get it together. I'm just going to quickly go over my armpits again to get any hair that I might have missed. Are you a waxer or a shaver? Let me know in the comments down below. I like waxing because my armpits are way lighter than they were before when I was shaving, and also the hair is just non-existent for longer. So now I'm just gonna wash this mask off, and there I am again. Armpits feeling nice and smooth. I'm just going in with this post-shaving soothing mist just to take care of any irritation or redness underneath my armpits. And follow up with some vitamin E oil to moisturize underneath my armpits. Now you're probably wondering, moisturize underneath your armpits? Yes, sis, moisturize underneath your armpits because it is some skin and it needs to stay moisturized. Now that the armpits are all nice, smooth, and moisturized, it's time to do some skincare. So I'm just taking these eye patches that I got off Amazon, and then I'm going to follow up with a Neutrogena hydrating sheet mask. And at this moment, I messed up. And you'll see in a few minutes why I say that. Now it's time to let that sit on the skin and let all the serums just absorb into my face. Now that I have let everything sit for a few minutes, it's time to take it off. And the reason why I didn't mention the nose strip earlier was because I shouldn't have put the moisturizing mask on while I had that nose strip on because it was not effective. But that's okay because I'm about to do it all over again. What I did was cleaned off my nose and just applied some water because that's what the directions calls for. And then I just put that Biore nose strip on my nose so I can get rid of any blackheads or any gunk that's in my nose. And I'll let that sit for a few minutes. After a few minutes, it's time to take it off, and y'all, oh my gosh, it hurt so bad, but it did take all that gunk out of my nose, so I was happy about that. So now I'm just going to take some Pixie Glow Tonic in a cotton round and use that as my toner. Next, I'm taking the Pixie Essence and I'm going to rub that in my hands and press it into the skin. Now I'm following up with my facial steamer. Y'all, I love steaming my face. Like, I have dry skin and it just helps with providing the moisture that I need and also opening up my pores, so whenever I do my skincare, my skin can just absorb those products even better. And now I'm just taking some facial oil to moisturize my face. I love using a facial oil because it just helps with extra moisture, and with the steam from the steamer, that's just giving me like moisture on moisture on moisture on moisture, which I need. After pushing that product into my face with my hands, I like to go in with my Jade Roller. I love Jade Rolling. I like to put it inside my skincare fridge because it just makes it nice and cool. And when I apply it to my face, like the cooling sensation just feels so good and so relaxing. Now I'm taking this eye cream from Olay. It's gel based, so it's super moisturizing underneath my eyes. I love using an eye cream because who wants dry under eye? Then follow up with my Jade Roller again, but this time I'm going to be using the smaller end so it could get underneath my eyes and push that product in. Now I'm just going in with some sunscreen from Olay. Although I'm not going anywhere, I am sitting in front of a window recording this video, so I do want to make sure that my skin is protected. I realized my hands was a little ashy, so whatever was left over on my hands, I just used that to rub it in. So now I'm going in with this Garnier moisturizer. It is gel based and it's lightweight, but it is super moisturizing, which I need because again, your girl do have dry skin. After moisturizing, I like to go in with a facial spray. This one is from Olay. With facial sprays, for me, it helps seals off my skincare. I also put this in my skincare fridge so it can be cool, and also it'll close my pores. And enjoy this little slow-mo action that I provided for you. The face is done, it's time to take care of these lips. I'm just taking this sugar scrub that I got off of Amazon, and I'm using my exfoliator brush to help exfoliate my lips. Now I'm taking these lip wonder drops from Fresh, and it's like a serum for your lips. So I'm just going to apply that to my lips and take my exfoliating brush again, but I'm going to use the other side of it because it has like little balls on them. So it's going to help massage my lips and help that blood flow in my lips so we can have that nice, soft, smooth, kissable lip, because no dry lips all 2020, okay? And to seal it off, I am going in with this Laneige sleeping mask. I love this stuff. It is super hydrating, make my lips feel so good. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Also, comment down below, how do you practice self-care? Like, we need to just take a break from the world and just focus on ourselves. So let me know, how do you do that? And I'll see you guys in the next video.